Sources have indicated that differences within the party have peaked in the recent past over distribution of tickets and possible nomination of senior leaders. While the suspense over the Varanasi seat still remains, the BJP is undecided on its top 3 leaders and their seats.
After a marathon meeting of its Central Election Committee, the BJP declared its third list for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Poonam Mahajan has been pitched against Priya Dutt from Mumbai North Central. Veteran leader Yashwant Sinha has opted out of the Hazaribagh seat in favour of his son Jayant Sinha.
हजारीबाग से श्री जयंत सिन्हा यशवंत सिन्हा जी के सुपुत्र.
This time, SS Ahluwalia is going to be in the electoral fray from Darjeeling. While new entrant in the BJP, Ramkripal Yadav will take on Lalu's daughter in Patliputra.
Varanasi, Lucknow, Kanpur, Allahabad. These 4 seats, 3 leaders, Lalji Tandon, Kalraj Mishra and MM Joshi, putting pressure onto the BJP president and Narendra Modi on the announcement of seat. Because if Narendra Modi needs to contest from Varanasi and Rajnath Singh from Lucknow, then these 3 leaders need to shift. And that is something which is creating problem for the BJP national president.
But on Saturday, BJP will have to decide where Modi will fight from. Whether the party chief will move to a safer seat. And whether or not Kalraj Mishra has to make way for MM Joshi. Even the confusion on Shatrughan Sinha's seat will have to be clarified.
शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा जी हमारे नेता है. हम उनसे भी बात करके पटना के बारे में तय करेंगे.
But finalizing the 4th list may not be easy for the BJP, as several leaders from Bihar are lobbying heavily to get the seats of their choice. Bureau Report, Times Now.